Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expedition and I will show you AC compressor, clutch, fuse and relay location. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. So if your AC is not working, before doing any deeper diagnostics, always first make sure to check the fuse and the relay, because that's the easiest and cheapest to fix. Both the AC compressor, clutch, fuse and relay will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here, and it's very easy accessible. To lift this cover you will have two black tabs, one here on the right side and one on the left side. To lift it up you want to press each of those to unlock it and then just lift the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. AC clutch fuse, it's a 10 amp red fuse located right here, and it's responsible for power to AC clutch relay. And the AC clutch relay is located here. Now the best way to test this relay is just try replacing it with one of the relays of the same kind, for example this one, and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay, they are around $10, and replace it, and hopefully that will fix your problem. If both the fuse and the relay prove to be good, then you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics. First you have to make sure that your AC is actually charged up. If it is, then you'll have to look into the AC compressor or the wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.